In this video, we'll be exploring how crypto wallets work and why they're so important. So, let's get started. First, let's define what a crypto wallet is. In simple terms, a crypto wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Crypto wallets come in various types, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Using a crypto wallet involves a few key steps. Choose a wallet. There are many types of crypto wallets, such as desktop wallets, mobile wallets, web wallets, and hardware wallets. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose one that meets your needs. Download or create a wallet. Once you've chosen a wallet, you'll need to download or create it. Depending on the wallet you choose, this may involve creating a new account, setting up a password, and storing a recovery phrase. Add cryptocurrency to your wallet. To add cryptocurrency to your wallet, you'll need to either buy it from an exchange or receive it from someone else. You'll then need to transfer the cryptocurrency to your wallet address, which is a unique code associated with your wallet. Monitor your wallet. Once you have cryptocurrency in your wallet, you can monitor your balance and track your transactions. It's important to keep your wallet secure by protecting your password and recovery phrase, as well as keeping your computer or mobile device free from malware. To send cryptocurrency, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. To receive cryptocurrency, you'll need to provide your own wallet address to the sender. Withdraw cryptocurrency. If you want to withdraw cryptocurrency from your wallet, you'll need to transfer it to an exchange or other wallet that supports the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Remember, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and investing in them carries significant risk. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, make sure you understand the risks involved and seek professional advice if necessary. When you create a crypto wallet, you will be given a public address and a private key. The public address is like your digital wallet address, which allows you to receive cryptocurrencies from other people. The private key, on the other hand, is like your password to access your crypto wallet. You should never share your private key with anyone because it grants access to your funds. Once you have your wallet address and private key, you can start sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. When someone sends you cryptocurrency, they are actually sending it to your public address. The transaction is recorded on the blockchain, which is a decentralized, public ledger that records all transactions on the network. Once the transaction is confirmed by the network, the funds will appear in your wallet. Send cryptocurrency from your wallet. You need to know the recipient's wallet address. You simply enter their wallet address, the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, and then confirm the transaction. The transaction will be recorded on the blockchain, and once it's confirmed, the funds will be transferred from your wallet to the recipient's wallet. Now that we understand how crypto wallets work, let's talk about the different types of crypto wallets. The first type of wallet is a software wallet, which is a digital wallet that you can download and install on your computer or mobile device. Software wallets are easy to use and are often free to download. However, they are susceptible to malware and hacking attacks. It's important to keep your software wallet updated with the latest security patches and to always use strong passwords. The second type of wallet is a hardware wallet, which is a physical device that you can connect to your computer or mobile device. Hardware wallets are considered the most secure type of wallet because they store your private key offline, making it much more difficult for hackers to access. However, the third type of wallet is a paper wallet, which is simply a printed copy of your wallet's public and private keys. Paper wallets are inexpensive and can be stored offline, making them less susceptible to hacking attacks. However, paper wallets are not as convenient to use as software or hardware wallets, and if you lose the paper, you lose access to your funds. Now that we've covered the different types of wallets, let's talk about some tips for keeping your crypto wallet safe. The first tip is to always keep your private key safe and secure. Never share your private key with anyone, and never store it online or on a device that's connected to the internet. The second tip is to always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication on your wallet. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your wallet and makes it much more difficult for hackers to gain access. The third tip is to only use reputable wallets and exchanges. There have been many instances of fake wallets and exchanges that are designed to steal your funds. Always do your research and make sure you're using a trusted and secure wallet or exchange. The fourth and final tip is to always keep your wallet and software up to date with the latest security patches. Developers are constantly working to improve the security of crypto wallets, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest updates.